Greenhouse gases are gases such as carbon dioxide and methane that exist in our atmosphere, trapping radiation trying to leave Earth, thus causing our planet to warm up. Although these gases are produced naturally, anthropogenic processes are the leading role in producing gases at faster rates. With more radiation being trapped, our planet is getting even hotter, producing many of the known traits of climate change happening around the world.
Due to increased amounts of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, the average global temperature has increased by 0.8 degrees Celsius. Large areas of the Arctic region, such as Greenland, are melting at an alarming rate. Ice reflects most of sun radiation back into space, but as more ice melts, less energy gets reflected and instead is absorbed by the open ocean. It is predicted that sea ice will disappear by the year 2100.
If the polar ice caps continue to melt, sea levels will continue to rise. Current estimates predict a rise of as much as 1 meter by the end of the century. This could mean that parts of Venice, which are already experiencing the consequences of sea level rise, could be entirely taken over by water.
Hurricanes gain energy through warm ocean temperatures, and as our sea surface temperatures continue to increase, it is very likely that the more intense storms will take place. A study was conducted by Emanuel in 2005 that examined future hurricane intensity in an environment where CO2 was doubled. Global climate models suggest that over time, we will see an increase in the potential power hurricanes can possess due to anthropogenic warming.
Using historical and current records of wildfires, it can be estimated that the climate will have a significant effect on wildfires in the future. According to a study done by A.L. Westringley and B.P. Bryant in 2008, it is projected that the frequency of wildfires in California will dramatically increase due to global warming. The results were for the whole state of California. Changes by the end of the century ranged from an increase of 12% to 53% fire risk, meaning we could see up to twice as many wildfires as there was in the last year. In 2015, there were 6,335 fires, which totaled 307,598 acres burned in the state of California. Again, these numbers could be doubled by 2100 if global warming and CO2 emissions continue.
For tens of millions of years, Earth's oceans have maintained a relatively stable acidity level. It's within these steady environment that the rich and varied web of life in today's seas has arisen and flourished. But research shows that this ancient balance is being undone by a recent and rapid drop in surface pH that could have devastating global consequences. Since the beginning of the Industrial Revolution in the early 1800s, fossil fuel-powered machines have driven an unprecedented burst of human industry and advancement. The unfortunate consequence, however, has been the emission of billions of tons of carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases into Earth's atmosphere. That's why you just can't surf today.